Hello and welcome to the Text2Car Road Maintenance Fleet Management Tutorial Series. In today's video we're going to take a look at the Road Maintenance Map. This is the map that will show you all the blue line data or blade down or work in progress data. If you have watched the location history map, you will know the difference between red and blue lines. So to get started, we're going to make sure that we have all selected from our vehicle drop down menu. Then we're going to click on the Road Maintenance button. From here, we can select any date range we want, so you can build this map for a single day, a week, or even a whole month, as long as you want. I'm just going to select a random date to give us enough data to take a look at, and I'm just going to click on the graders. Now we'll click on Load Map. So the more units you select and the longer date range you select, the longer this map will take to build. However, once it is built, there's a lot of different things we can do, so it's well worth the wait. And it looks like we've already got it all built here. So the first thing you'll notice is that this RM does have their legal land title map on top of the Google Maps. And if that's something you're interested in, you can definitely give us a call and we can set you up with that as well. But here you can see that that can be turned on or off here, as well as we can switch between map or the satellite view as well. Satellite view, and then you can take off the labels as well. We'll leave it on map for now. So first off, you will see all the blue lines. So this is where all the work has been done for the 2 weeks that we've selected by these graders. At any time, we can select print down here. And that will actually just print out the map and the view that you have selected. Now if you want to print these only one grader at a time, simply scroll up and you can deselect every other grader. So now we'll only be taking a look at grader 3. So if you wanted to print this, we could zoom into it using our zoom tool down here. Get it so it's nice and centered. Just click the print button. This is nice if you want to save work done every week or month. Just print these off, put them in a file, and you'll have them forever. Although that's not really needed, as Text2Car does keep your data indefinitely. So you can always come back and build these maps even a year later. Now, if you want to see more detail on these routes, simply select the grader, and you'll get a list of all your routes here. So a route is the time and the distance from the first blade down to the next blade up, and then the next time the blade goes down it creates another route. So if you want to see the first route, you can simply click on it, and you will notice that that does now highlight that individual route. You can see that this route was performed on the 21st. You can see that it went a total of 12 kilometers and it took 39 minutes. If you ever want to deselect a route, simply click it here and that'll take it away. Now, we put all of our graders on here. A really cool feature that we have is, say you want to see all the work that's been done in just one section or one little chunk of road, you can come up here and select the select tool and then just make your selection. What that's going to do is highlight just the routes that were in that selection. And again, you can come up here and see that there were 4 routes done in that section. You could always print this as well. And once you're done looking at this selection, you can simply click Close. And that is the road maintenance map. Thank you for watching.